Hello guys, I'm Aurora, I'm 10 years old, I'm Italian but I live abroad, and today I'm gonna teach you Italian, and I'm gonna teach you the animals. So my aim is to teach you how to talk, write, read and have the right pronunciation to talk in Italian. So let's start. So the first animal I want to teach you is gatto. That's cat and it has double T, gatto. Then there's mucca and it has double C. Gallo, that's rooster and it has double L. So gallo. Leone, that has no double letters. Cane, that has no double letters and it's really simple. PAPERA, that has no double letters. CAVALLO, and that has two L's. And SERPENTE, that has no double letters. So let's revise them. Gatto, that's cat. Mucca, that's cow. Gallo, that's rooster. Leone, that's lion. Cane, that's dog. Papera, that's duck. Cavallo, that's horse. Serpente, that's snake. And now that you know the animals, I'm gonna tell you just a quick thing. So in the comment box below you can see that there's a link to print paper that there are some cards that you can cut out and fold, so you can play with your mom, dad or siblings, and you can see if you can practice, and I hope you have fun, and put a thumbs up if you like the video and follow me, and we'll see you next time. Remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!